Alright guys, today making up a batch of Christmas blanks using red and green glitter in Alumilite Clear Slow. I've already measured it out, mixed it up, added the glitter, and I'm just stirring it all in right now. I also added a couple drops of red dye to the red glitter and green dye to the green glitter. Start mixing up the green now. Really like the way these are looking. I think it needs more glitter. And let's just do all of it. No such thing as too much sparkle, right? Add more red. And stir them up again. So I'll get these mixed up real quick, and then I'll get out the pressure pot and get ready for the pour. Alright. Here's my pressure pot, once I get the camera situated. Just a cheapie, Harbor Freight. The mold rack I'm using, it's one of the ones I sell on my website, the 10miletools.com. Does 17 pen blanks at once. I'm working on a new design that'll do 18 at once, just because an odd number drives me crazy. Already sprayed the PVC tubes with the mold release, and now I'm just pouring in the resin. So I think I'm gonna do 6 of each color, and then with what's left, I'll mix a couple, kind of try and swirl the 2 colors together. So I actually prefer to use paper cups when doing stuff like this. It's easier to kind of kink them and get a good spout to pour out of. These plastic cups, the rim around it makes it a little bit harder, and it tends to kind of dribble down the side. You don't get as sharp of a point when you crease the edge of the cup. Paper cups are cheaper and easier to work with. But I have these plastic cups on hand, so that's what I'm using. So I'll get the rest of the red poured up here, and then we'll do the couple of swirled or mixed ones. I think I'll do one that's kind of a stacked layer of red, layer of green, layer of red, so on and so on. And then with whatever's left, I'll do just, pour the 2 colors at the same time and see what kind of swirl we get. So with this one, I'm just going to pour a little bit of the red, then a little bit of the green, a little bit of the red, a little bit of the green, so on and so on. It should give kind of a stacked look, with defined edges between the 2 colors. I find that works pretty well in this style of mold with the PVC pipes. One thing to keep in mind is to make sure your resin is nice and thick when you're pouring. I waited till the resin was about 100 degrees and starting to thicken before starting the pour here. And now I'll just pour the last little bit and see what we come up with. These will be ready to come out of the pot first thing tomorrow. And here they are, all finished up. I really like the way these turned out. The amount of sparkle in them is just amazing. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas.